patient's relatives can be seen vandalizing the hospital property and brutally attacking a female nurse. Multiple men were seen assaulting the nurse.
Hello, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Nurses Day. I think the pandemic has been a once in a lifetime experience with sadness and pain of our patients, their family members who are either hospitalized, who are either in quarantine, or who are no more. It has been a tiring journey with endless hours in PPE, anxiety, and stress for the staff. But the positive note was, the determination, the enthusiasm, and resilience with which everyone reported for duties day in and day out and try to meet and serve the patients. You know, uh, Clearing their doubts, communicating to their families, or meeting the needs of the patients. I think the fight against COVID 19 has made us to treasure and savor moments that we sometimes or we would have considered unimportant otherwise. The small things, especially with our family, with our friends, it has probably taught us to maintain a good work and family life balance. And moreover, it has shown the world that we nurses are a beacon of hope to the patients worldwide, just like our pioneer Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. So, here I'm wishing all the superheroes, nurses, a very happy and a safe Nurses Day, and a big salute to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Mangal Lokhande, Nursing Superintendent at Pavna Hospital, Mawar. I have been working in this industry for over 24 years. COVID-19 pandemic has not been a very good time for several people around the world. Every single person have been adversely affected because of this pandemic. And the healthcare workers have also faced many challenges. In fact, we are still facing the challenges since past 1 year. I would like to share my experiences of this past 1 year. COVID first wave came into attention of the people in the month of February 2020. This was the time when there were very first cases of COVID in India. Everyone was least bothered and least informed about this virus. In the month of March, a nationwide lockdown was announced to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Everyone was asked to stay safe in their houses, but the healthcare workers and other essential had to work. Actually, I work in a private owned hospital which is situated in a rural area near Pune, and the people are not much educated and aware about the COVID and healthcare. But still, we were bound to follow the safety protocols to keep ourselves healthy and uninfected. It was very difficult for us to work the whole day with a mask over our faces. Body would get tired and exhausted due to the workload. Me being a leader, I had to keep my staff safe and motivated all the times. I had to convince them that they were going to be fine and their job as a healthcare worker is their priority. Then, in mid-June 2020, all the private hospitals were asked to admit the COVID patients. So, we were first built a separate COVID center which had a capacity of 50 beds with oxygen facility. In no time, people were getting admitted in a hospital as the cases were increasing at a faster rate. At the first wave, staffs got infected, then the other staff be worried and scared to work. I had to convince them and go onto the floor with them, being a leader, and likewise I could boost their confidence. Dealing with the COVID patients, physically they were not only affected with the virus, but they were psychologically disturbed. As a nurse, I would personally try to visit every patient and ask them about their well-being. We would ask the patients to perform breathing exercises, listen to a music for delivering their minds, diverting their minds. It was not an easy task, but we still tried our level best to look after our patients. and by God's grace, we were performing our jobs well. Dealing with the patients was never an easy task for us. We had to counsel them, make them understand that bedside medicines, their resilience and confidence was also the factor to keep them fighting against the virus. In a second wave, it was very difficult for managing oxygen to the patients, but our team at Pavna Hospital made strategies to serve the patients endlessly. When patients go discharged, the smile on their faces when we see feels completely satisfied. Now, we are so confident as a healthcare worker professional, we will keep fighting, serving the society and save the people's lives as a COVID warriors.
Dear friends and colleagues, on this Nurses Day, my prayers and deep condolences to those who sacrificed their life during the pandemic. I salute those who are working in the COVID area. I know it's a very stressful situation for all of us, but my dear friends, remember that you are not alone. We are together to fight against COVID-19. I wish you all a very happy Nurses Day.
Hello all. Having daily updates from this WHO, CDC, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare regarding that we are facing second, third or maybe soon a fourth wave of this COVID-19 pandemic. One thing which just flashed back in my head, that is the first day when we have received this COVID-19 patient in our hospital. I still remember the date obviously. It is 18th March 2020 with 6 positive COVID patients, and now we are dealing with almost 200 to 50 daily COVID positive patients. Suspects are different, the figures are different. Having said this, being a nurse, that to being an infection control nurse, we have came a long way through this pandemic, where we all know that the only preventive mechanism we could do is infection control. So right from the teaching hand hygiene to my staff, to segregating the patients, having segregated area for donning, doffing, having good and proper disinfection practices all over the institute was a very tough job. And having inculcate these all practices into everyone's mind was a tougher than that. Still we are growing. Infection control is choosing its path to break the chain in this pandemic, and I know we with all together we will do this. Let's pray for it. Break the chain. Always remember, 2 गज दूरी, mask है ज़रूरी. Take care. Happy Nurses Day to all, and hope soon we will surely break this chain. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं जितेंद्र पाटीदार, नर्सिंग ऑफिसर एम्स भोपाल। मैं आज यहाँ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ कोविड-19 से रिलेटेड। कोविड-19 एक ऐसी महामारी है जिससे आजकल ये जो सेकेंड वेव है उसमें बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ही गंभीर तरीके से इन्फेक्टेड हो रहे हैं, और इस वजह से जो हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उसमें बेड फुल हो गए हैं, बेड नहीं मिल रहा है, ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है, और भी बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस फेस करनी पड़ रही है जिसमें मरीजों को बहुत सारी तकलीफ हो रही है। लेकिन जो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम है, जो नर्सिंग स्टाफ्स है, उस पर रिलेटिव्स आके अपना गुस्सा वगैरह निकालते हैं, तो ये बहुत ही एक अलग चीज़ है। आपने जो वोट दिया था वो गवर्नमेंट को दिया था, और आप अपना गुस्सा जो है वो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स जो है उन पे उतार रहे हो। हमें बहुत सारे मरीज मिलते हैं देखने को, हम डेली हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल्स को फेस करते हैं, लेकिन उसमें बहुत सारे लोग हमें बहुत सारा मोटिवेशन करते हैं कि आप जो कर रहे हो वो बहुत ही अच्छा काम है, और एक जो फैमिली का जो परिजन होता है मरीज का, वो भी आपसे अच्छी केयर नहीं कर सकता है, और आप जो कर रहे हो वो बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है। जो आप पेशेंट्स को मतलब अपना फैमिली मेंबर मान के जो सेवा कर रहे हो, ऐसा कोई नहीं कर सकता। लेकिन बहुत सारे जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं उनके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं जो कि हमें परेशान कर देते हैं। कोई भी ये नहीं समझ सकता कि जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो आगे से है, उसमें हमारी कोई गलती नहीं है, तो हम पे किसी तरह का गुस्सा नहीं निकलना चाहिए। हमें बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे मोटिवेट करते हैं, हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, और हम दुगुनी ताकत से काम कर सकते हैं। लगभग करीबन पिछले 1.5 साल से हम कोविड में ही ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं और हमारा कोविड का एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो बहुत ही बुरा है। जो पीपीई हमें दी जाती है उसमें हमें 12-12 घंटे भी रहना पड़ता है और उसमें बहुत ही पसीने होते हैं और बहुत ही हमारी भी तबीयत बहुत बार खराब हो जाती है। इवन मैं खुद ही 2 बार कोविड से इन्फेक्टेड हो चुका हूं और ये बहुत ही मीन्स दिक्कत वाली बात है हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स के लिए। फिर भी हम हैं वो अपना जॉब बखूबी निभा रहे हैं। आप सबसे निवेदन है कि आप मीन्स जो है हेल्थ केयर वर्कर को मोटिवेट कीजिए और जितना मोटिवेशन आप करोगे वो सबसे बड़ा योगदान है। और जितना भी बने आप किसी न किसी की हेल्प किया करें, घर पे रहे और मास्क जरूर लगाए ताकि आप सुरक्षित रहे और आपको कहीं ऑक्सीजन के लिए भागना न पड़े। धन्यवाद।
Hi dear all. Recently I have been working in COVID ICU. Before that I was not knowing that what kind of emotional support I have to give to the COVID patients. But I came to know that these patients all are away from their relatives, friends and family. So I'm saying you that all kind of patient they should need some kind of emotional support. So this is important and a stressful challenge to us to give this kind of support to the patient. But I hope that we are giving from our ICU and I'm sure that very recently we'll overcome this situation very soon. And I wish you a very happy Nurses Day.
Myself, Ms. Priyanka Vishwakarma, critical care nurse practitioner, want to take up this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. As we all know, theme for Nurses Day 2020 was Nurses, a voice to lead. The whole idea was to demonstrate how nurses are the central part of addressing a wide range of healthcare challenges, and this COVID-19 have been a live example of how nurses are in front line playing their roles during the time of need. Many people will agree and also say that they are being paid for whatever they do, but I believe money cannot really buy the kind of care, compassion, the empathy, the sympathy, the commitment towards our profession. Also, it cannot buy our problem solving skills, our stamina to complete almost all the tasks that are provided to us. Well, so this year's themes also become justifiable as nurses, a voice to lead and a vision for future healthcare. This time, let's take responsibilities, let's share our responsibilities together and help us in fighting this pandemic. We were, we are, and we always will be in the front line. But this time, let us all be responsible for our own health. Simply wear your masks properly, follow proper sanitization protocols, follow all COVID-19 protocols, stay home, stay safe, get yourself immunized. This is all which is going to help and serve as the preventive measures for.
कितने दिन हो गए? आज आप घर आओगे ना?
हाँ बेटा। बेटा, रोज न्यूज़ में डॉक्टरों के बारे में देखकर अब डर लगता है। तुम ठीक तो हो ना? हाँ माँ। नन्ही सी हंसी, भोली सी खुशी, फूलों सी वो बात। इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं। हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं, पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद। जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी अब हमारे हाथ में है।